Right, I've ordered myself 2 batteries and a charger, or a dual charger actually, for my studio lighting. So with that, let's get on with it and do the unboxing. Right, I ordered this from Amazon, and like I said, I'll stick a link in the video description so you go and check it out. They cost just under £60, so they're not cheap, but hopefully you get what you pay for. Hopefully you get a quality product. So move the Amazon box out of the way. Let's have a look. Cut this open. So it comes in a plain box, as you can see. Got nothing on the sides, nothing on the top, and I'm guessing nothing on the bottom. Oh, it's a label there. Right, what is the label? Not happy, let us help you. Okay, register your warranty. 30-day return, extra 6-month warranty, premium service. Oh, very nice. Is that a little card? Tells you all about it. Oh, nothing inside. And contact us. It's made by a company called Pixel, or pixelhk.com. Bit of fluff there. Let's have a look. So I imagine these are the batteries. These are quite big batteries, by the way. These are 8,400 milliamp batteries, so they should last quite a long time. And obviously I think I've got to take the plastic off. We'll do that in a minute. Just want to have a look around first. See what you're going to get for your money. So they haven't spent no money on packaging. Well, obviously they've spent money to protect the product inside, but no artwork or anything like that. So these are the F970s, made by Pixel, like I said earlier. And they should fit nicely to my light. This is the charger, or the power bank actually. Here's the charger in here. Let's move it out of the way. Pixel Enterprise Limited battery charger. And it tells you the input, 12 volts, and the output. And it tells you for the MPs, and that's the range of cameras, and 970 battery, which is what we looked at. There's a picture of what it is inside, which is nice. It has a Q code on it. Some information on the bottom, which I'm not going to bother to read. So, get my knife back again. Right, some instructions in there. So this is the actual charger. Obviously we're going to have to charge up first. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, my studio lights, they need either electric or batteries. I have 2 similar to these, but they are smaller output. These are 8,400. The ones I have in there at the moment are 7,900. So these should last longer. Channel 1, channel 2 looks quite nice, with a nice LED display on the side. Tells you how it's doing, which is good. We'll be testing them. And obviously the instructions. Foreign charging instructions, there you go. So I will have a quick read of the instructions, and then I will charge it up. But before we do that, let's see what you're getting for your money. So obviously you get 2 batteries, which is what I want. My studio light takes 2 batteries at the same time. You get a power cord, or power bank. It looks like quite a long lead actually. And obviously the dual charger. Right, I've had a quick read of the instructions, and it doesn't say anything about cutting this off, but obviously you need to. Right, it's going to take a few hours to charge up, so I'm going to leave it alone for now. But before I go and leave it alone, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the charger. This is a dual channel 30 watt quick charger. Even so, it can take a few hours to charge up because they're only at 50% for postage reasons. So we're going to leave it alone, and I will come back in a couple of hours. Right, so they're fully charged up. It took around about 2 hours. I'm not sure exactly how long it took because I wasn't here when they actually finished charging. But it's around 2 hours for the first charge. And when they're fully charged, you're going to get a solid blue like you got there. When they're charging, they go red and they flash. If it's a single flash, it's 25% charged. Double flash is 50%. Triple flash is 75%. And a solid, like you got there, blue, means it's fully charged. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one battery out and drain just a little bit of battery from it and then put it back on just so you can see how it actually works. Right, I've drained some of the battery, so I'm just going to show you how it works. So it's showing 3 flashes. So 3 flashes means it's between 75% and 100%. Quite easy to understand. Right, so I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how I use them. I use them on my light. This one here, my spotlight. I will plug it in now. This will work on one battery, yes, but I always use 2 batteries. And the reason for that is because when I'm filming, I haven't got to worry about changing the battery, especially with these babies in here. 8,400 milliamps. They're going to last quite a long time. It says 10 hours, but that's for a camera. So I'm not sure how long they're going to last in there, but I'm normally, when I'm filming, I'm normally only doing about 4 to 5 hours at any single time. If I'm moving the light about, I will use batteries. If I've got it fixed in one place, then I'll use a mains adapter. I have a mains adapter as well. But these are very good, especially if you're out and about as well. 8,400 milliamps is going to last you quite a long time. And the other thing I like the charger, and the reason I like the charger for 2 reasons. One, the display is easy to understand, you know, it works on how many flashes. If it's single flash is 25%, double flash 50%, triple flash 75%, and 100% solid blues, like you see there. The other thing I like as well is the fact that when you put a battery in, you ain't got to worry about it falling out. If you accidentally move it about, you know, or pick it up for whatever reason, it's not going to fall out. So I'm quite pleased about that. It locks it in pretty well. See that? Yeah, very pleased. So yeah, both charged up, solid blue, so that's 100%. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for a bigger power bank, you know, 8,400 milliamps, this might be the baby for you. It's just under £60, and for that you get a nice little charger and 2 solid batteries. So it definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Better start using them, I suppose.